In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add linear regression candles in TradingView Pro. We'll keep this really simple and walk through it together on the chart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type so you can start using linear regression candles in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, it doesn't matter. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar of the chart window. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the full Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools live, along with community scripts. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the easiest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. Click directly inside that search box so your cursor is active there. Now, in the search box, start typing linear regression candles. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You're looking for an indicator or script that matches linear regression candles. When you see it appear in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. You should see the candles update to reflect that new style or overlay. If you don't see it right away, double check your spelling or try the keyword linear regression and look through the options that come up until you find the candle version you prefer. Once the linear regression candles are applied, you can hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart, next to the asset symbol. Clicking on the settings icon there lets you adjust inputs, colors, and styling so it better fits your personal trading setup and is easy to read on your screen. If you want to unlock all the features and get the most out of TradingView, including more indicators running at once and additional layout options, you'll need TradingView Pro or a higher plan. To help with that, I have an affiliate link in the description. If you decide to upgrade using that link, it supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and often there are discounts or promotions available through it. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps and you'll have linear regression candles running on your TradingView Pro charts in just a few seconds.